Tom and George's Grand Prix. Yep, dash is back out. Dash, lower dash, console, dash harness from Electric Limited. That was for Electric Limited. Rep for those guys. Anyway, getting it apart, gonna start chasing everything. I'm going to pull the column while we're in here because Tom has a new steering coupler. So we'll pull the column and all that stuff and get it out. But getting back to where we were. Oy, hot mess. So, upon removal of the column and trying to get the coupler apart, which I undid the column side, so it should just slide out. Yeah, that happened. Instead of it sliding out, the rotten rubber, which, let me zoom in here, is soaked with, with brake fluid, because the back of the master is leaking. So now I'm going to pull the booster and the master and get the column out the rest of the way. Fun. The surprises continue. So I've got the column out, and there is the rag joint. Look at this. Oh. Turn on the light. Ugh. That poor brake fluid soaked rubber. Look, you can squish it. Look at that. Ugh. Anyway, column's out. Ooh. Go over here. Did the booster because I pulled the master. You can see the rear of the master has been leaking. Ugh, it's wet. So booster's coming out. Gonna go to our friends at Advantage West. The master's on the table. Fun. Booster is out.